That would, if you can explain, I think that will be, useful also.
Just a second. Guruji, can
I'll,
you
I'll, yeah, you
you
can
share
share.
the just a second, just a
Okay,
second.
I'll share it. Yeah, so it will be easier.
Yes.
Yeah, I got the screen.
Just a second, Guruji. Not Guruji, this is the Bank Nifty, which has got five active call and 5 active puts.
Okay.
On the upper one, upper in the current spot price
here.
you can see. Yeah, this is the current spot price of the Bank Nifty is there.
Okay.
This is the CP, the daily CP, LTP, daily CP, all-time CP.
Okay.
It's being fit in this, and whenever there is crossovers happen on the LTP CPA crossover, you can see the icons.
Okay.
Left of it is the Nifty. Left tab, left tab, up, left tab is this is Nifty.
Correct.
And right of it is the Nifty options.
Okay.
If you click it, we have got that's the equity. This is left, right. Yeah. In this, we have got three this thing. One is the OBV scanner.
Okay.
This this thing that you shared yesterday. I have tweaked it. Let's see how it's going to behave today.
Okay.
Second one is the DC plus ATR.
Where is the the trade part where this giving
here below the scanner you can see.
Yeah.
This OBV scanner, it is saying we got a trigger and it entered the trade. Okay. This is the kite proxy. Kite proxy is the CPA one.
Okay.
Left one is the kite proxy. This is the OBV scanner is the one which is telling when is the trade happened and it entered the trade. There are two types of trade in it. One is the logic in which what you have given me, and second is the reversal. When the crest and the trough forms opposite side, it gives the signal to enter.
Got it. Okay.
Third one from the left is the DCV plus ATV.
Okay.
This had got three sets of signals. The confirmed A, B, and C.
Okay.
A, B, and H.
Okay.
A confirmed A is the one which says previous DC. It scans from 0 to 13 to 1000 DC lengths, which says the last DC is present DC is more than the previous DC, and present low is equal to the present DC. Present DC low is equal to present DC.
Okay.
That is signal A.
DC CCV, greater than PCB. That logic. Okay.
Yes, that is A. Signal A.
Okay.
Signal B is the difference between the previous DC and the present DC, lower DC. Difference is more than 2 ATR.
2 ATR. Super. Okay.
Yeah. And third signal is signal H.
Okay.
Signal H is the one which is the present DC is present DC to upper DC. UDC is equal to high of the candle.
Okay.
And the next DC is inclined.
Okay. Got it.
That signal H.
Which minute time frame you do?
This is 1 minute time frame, Guruji. No, it's not 1 minute. It is 1, 3, and 5.
Okay.
All three. In this, Guruji, the best result come when there is a confluence between the DC and the ATR.
Okay.
That is the best signal. And signal H is not that good, but signal A and signal B and signal A plus B. That is when there is a LDCCP and present CP low, and the difference between the two is more than 2 ATR. That gives the best result. Approximately 60% is the win rate.
Correct. And it has big value also.
Yeah, this is big value. This gives, but as of now, once it enters around 3 to 4 trades. It enters once at one together.
Okay.
So it is giving us good returns as of now without brokerage. I'm not calculating the brokerage.
Okay.
And it is yesterday it gives 45,000.
And number of trades taken and number of do we have any record?
Yes. Guruji, I just tell you the triple time frame V2 which is written right to it.
Yeah, V2. correct.
This is the ATM at home and Techtonic.
Oh, super.
See, and rest is the MD. Once you come to upper tab, Guruji, Nifty 200.
Yeah.
Nifty 200.
Right.
The left one is the daily ATR, DC ATR is the same what we are told.
Okay.
This is the lower DC plus the difference between the ATR. It is not giving good results.
Okay.
Dual strategy, I have to tweak it again, sir. This, Guruji, this is the one on option. These are all on the equity.
The equity, the numbers would be different. What we apply for 23,500 cannot be applied for 500, no?
Okay.
Equity, as of now, maybe you can stop it also. Or run, we can see which is working better out of this. Say, we should, the ATR for Nifty option is different and ATR for, equity is different.
Exactly.
Instead of different number, you should ideally think of percentage.
Okay.
0.001% for Nifty will be greater than 1% for a 500 Nifty option, right?
Exactly.
We should ideally choose, a correct number for equity. What works super for Nifty will not work good for equity. So I will give you different logic for the equity. Let it run which is giving lesser loss. Okay.
Yes, Guruji. As of now. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, tell me.
So that one we will keep. Okay.
Got it, Guruji. Guruji.
Yeah.
And second one is the dual strategy. This is the ATM at home and the Techtonic. It is the worst which is right now doing it.
Okay.
And the MTF DC is the one, Guruji, which is giving which you tell multiple time frame.
Yeah.
What you have done in this gives the at the starting of the market, it gives the 25 top list is there. Then in 1 minute time frame, whenever it is crossing, then we are tracking it. I think I will change it to 15 minutes.
Okay. So what you do is this, whatever the strategy. Okay.
Yes,
in a Excel file, okay, you put the logic. Okay.
Yes.
And the name of the strategy. So we will track it and we'll take it also.
Got it, Guruji.
Another thing, the dashboard, what you refer is, in one screen, okay, the name of the strategy, number of trades taken, what is the profit?
Okay, Guruji, it is there. You click the EOD, right on the top, right side.
Right side
EOD.
top, very good.
Yeah, the EOD analysis. Yeah, on top of it. Yes. Left. No, not that one. Left. Oh, you stopped it.
Okay.
You have to start it again. Yeah.
Okay.
It will take around 10 minutes to start. Below that, below the EOD is there.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Okay,
so
yeah, just stop
only
it.
after 10 minutes, is it?
Sorry, Guruji?
It will generate only after 10 minutes, is it?
I think yes, Guruji, because you stopped it, na?
Oh, okay.
In this, it generates the report. Just a second, Guruji, and let me see if I can get it or not.
So when I say stop it, maybe put one more pop-up. Do it definitely want to stop it. So we'll not do it
invariably.
Yeah.
Okay, Guruji. Let me see.
Yeah.
Guruji, in an Excel, whatever you want, I will just tell me. I'll tube that.
Yeah, I'll give you one MES format. If you can give that format, that becomes easier for us. We can enable this. We don't have to enable that. Those things we can decide, right?
Yes. Guruji, in this screen you can see. In this in this you are not having the generate report.
Okay.
Below that EOD analysis, there is regenerate. There is a tab is there.
Okay.
I'm not able to see in yours. Is it there, Guruji?
Why?
I'm not able to see.
Yeah, I'm not able to see. I clicked your link. The link shared by you only.
Okay, Guruji, just again, once again, you go into the Telegram.
Okay.
The link is there.
Okay.
Just above May 19th.
And again, sir.
Yes.
I close this and start again.
Yes, Guruji. On May 19th, it is there.
Okay.
Telegram. May 19th. May 19th. Yeah, above that. May 19th. Yeah, just click this.
Okay.
Click on the EOD analysis.
Yeah.
Regenerate. Right of it.
Here is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. It gives you the number of trades.
Okay.
Today it is not performing well. Market is range bound, Guruji.
Yeah, range bound. Yeah.
That's the reason. Otherwise, yesterday it has given 45,000 rupees.
Oh.
Your DC ATR, DC plus ATR one.
Got it.
Yesterday,
Got it. Okay.
day before yesterday, it has given 35,000.
How see the previous day?
Previous day, Guruji, is not there over here. I have to. It is there in my terminal.
Okay. Maybe
I sent.
if you can enable, that will be easier, right? So you can see. Say we don't judge by one day or
Exactly.
2 hours.
Exactly, Guruji. I will take it. I will. It is there in the logs are there. I generated.
Okay.
What I plan to do, Guruji, once this gets stable, I will send it to you, the whole file to you, so that in the morning and evening you can run this.
Sure.
Because I am traveling. I can't do it always.
Okay. So you are connected through VPN, is it now?
Sorry, Guruji.
Did you connect through VPN?
No, Guruji. It is there in my home terminal. I am controlling it through the team viewer.
Okay.
Starting it.
When I tried to admit you in Google Meet, it said it popped up some error message saying that
Guruji, the team viewer was on. I had to disconnect it. I think that would be giving the problem.
Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Guruji.
Two things.
Yeah.
I will share you one MAS format. Try to create one MAS like that. Two. If you want to choose days, what is the result? Day for days or consolidated. I should be able to get it. Like if you go to $0, they say 1 month. These days are green. These days are deep green. Here it is red is mild red or deep red.
Okay, Guruji. Okay, Guruji.
Yeah.
You approximately you want it for 1 month or 15 days. What is the report was generated?
Yeah. 1 month will be better.
1 month, na? Okay, Guruji. Yeah. Just make it. Include that tab in this.
Yeah. Did Arun contact you?
No. He didn't do this. I also didn't call him because what to discuss with him, Guruji? Please tell me so that we can discuss.
One, he's a data scientist, PhD in IIT Chennai.
Okay, Guruji.
So tomorrow when we go to the next level, whenever you have a finance-related website or link, that will be attacked by spammers. Even my website was down for 2 months. They asked for 1 Bitcoin.
Yeah. You told us, huh? Yes.
Right. So tomorrow when we go for something customized, we have a website, that may be hacked or it may be down. So he may suggest something where we can prevent this kind of attack, or we can add value also to the scan time is around 40 seconds, right?
Okay, Guruji.
That scan time we can bring it down maybe to 10 seconds, 5 seconds, something like that. So I just I asked him if you can help doing that.
Yeah, okay, we'll discuss that. Because basically what, as of now, the DC plus ATR one is working fine. The Techtonic and it is also not going that good results, but it is fine. When it's the market is rallying, it is giving good. OBV scanner, I'm not able. The other one you have yesterday, the latest one you have shared, the Ichi and VAP.
Correct.
That I have not made it, Guruji.
No problem. This is good. As long as we are able to make 1% of the capital each day. Okay, that is big enough.
Yes, Guruji. Okay, Guruji.
1% is 240. They're trading this 240%. Bank you get 6% return, right? So anything more than 1% a day is big money, and we don't have to put big money. Only 40-50,000 you put it in 10 different accounts and make money.
Yes, Guruji.
So 45,000 rupees yesterday, it's almost double the capital.
Exactly, Guruji. But I think the capital required would be around 2 to 3 lakhs rupees, because it is taking, but at a time 3 to 4 trades, 3 to 4 options. That's a trade. That's we have to.
One trade, it may not be more than 30-40,000. like for one trade.
Yeah, exactly. But one trade is more, not more than 30,000. Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, and
It is
you
there.
may not have the
You're correct.
parallel trade, right? Say there may not be parallel trade. There may be most of the time serial trade, right?
Yeah, most of the time they seal it.
The
Yes, yes,
parallel
Guruji.
trade means serial trade. That means your capital required is less.
Okay, Guruji. Yes, yes.
Yeah, and
Once it is, I've
we
seen.
all
Yes.
and we also know when the market is going to be trending. Yesterday I posted 23,320 is the key.
Yes, yes. You posted yesterday.
At 22,320, you should stop looking at put option. Look at only the call option.
Yeah, that tukes can be done. Then yeah, and you are the right person to do it, Guruji, because
Yeah,
with
that's
the
what
job and all, I can.
we can do that actually.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, like today morning, I posted this screenshot, right?
Yeah, you posted
Uh,
screenshot of the Nifty.
Nifty. You can just
Yeah.
see this line was the open high,
Okay.
and then it got 100 points, 150 points.
Okay, Guruji.
At this line, you should stop looking for the call option. Stop looking for the put option. It should have written 50, 60 points.
Yeah, exactly. That you can do it, Guruji. I just enable this something on this logic, na. We just
Yeah,
you write down on Excel whatever is required so that I
yeah.
can because whatever is
Think and do
what
it.
I think I do
Got
it,
it, got
Guruji.
it.
Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure. So for
In
me,
this thing.
is one, is this performance I need,
Yes,
monthly
yes.
performance I need. Okay,
Yes,
and I'll
Guruji.
give you one format of MAS. You can, try to generate in that format. So it becomes easy, for us to track. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Then,
I will do that.
then other thing is what is, I want the, if this strategy is there, okay, what is
Yes.
the actual strategy? Okay,
Okay.
and what is the performance? Maybe, you told, the CPA is not working, no?
Yes, 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 yes.
Giving good return. We can actually CPA is returning good money for me. I need to think if I communicated something different to you. Okay.
Got it, Guruji. Okay, the entry logic and exit logic, I will put it on there. The right
Yeah.
proxies name is there. Entry
Yeah.
and exit logic, I'll put it over there.
I'll try to tweak and check it and give you a correct thing. You can tweak that.
Okay, Guruji. We'll do that. You just write it down, whatever is required, Guruji. I'll work it down because since I am not trading, so I've got some time.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay, I'll do it. Yeah. Today, tomorrow, this weekend, I'll finish.
Yeah, but by weekend is fine. By weekend is fine, Guruji.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah. Take care. Bye. Good day.
Namaskaram.